Data interpretation is what we are going to see still. In groups of 3, study the data below and answer the questions that follow. A sample of 100 tourists were asked the destination and the data collected was put onto a pie chart as shown below. So this was 9, there were this Maxwell falls, there were 150 degrees on a pie chart, then 70, and then X. Then they are telling us that find the number of tourists that visited Maxwell Falls 9 to others. Represent the data above on the bar graph. He's saying you can get the data from the bar graph to a pie chart, or from the pie chart to the bar graph. Now, here we are from the pie chart to the bar graph. So we are going to do that in groups of 3. Get your ruler, get a protractor, get a compass, then you get also paper, get those markers, and then we start. Yeah, we are going to use the 15 minutes for that. Can you start? Yeah, you move around and I'm going to correct examples as we see. We have 2 minutes to go. Okay, these are the samples we are having. So, I have group 9. I have group 9. I have group Andy. So we have group 9. So this one is our group 9 here. Group 9. Then we have group 15 here. Then we also have this one, group 9. This is where I got it from, group 9. They are drawing the bar graph there. So, the rest of us exchange work, you give the neighboring group. Let us exchange the work. Okay, now this is what we have. So, this is what group 15 did. Group 15, they never had the angle X. So what they did, where is they getting 90? Where is group 15? Okay, where are you getting this 90 from? Because this symbol is for 90 degrees. So they got X plus 90 plus 150 plus 70 equals 360. Why are you getting 360? Because the angle sum around is 360. So when you add this, you get 310. And you subtract this side, you get 350. So in degrees, so here we give, everyone who did this, we give 2 marks. Then they came and then they are saying they want getting Maxwell false. So they get 150 over 360. Why did you say over 360? Because the total number of degrees are 360. Then times 100. Why times 100? Because the total number of people were 100. So because we had 100 tourists. Okay, so because we have 100 tourists, now they multiply by 100 and then they get this. So whenever you get something decimal, we say you can round off if a number is from 5 up to 9. You always round off. Even if now we are converting from degrees, you also round off the next whole number. So they rounded off here to 2. But here you had to put these are tourists. So you always indicate that these are 42 tourists. Even here, 25 tourists. Always put the units. If there were students, you put students. Tourists. So that's what we had to do. So in this one, we give a mark. Because we see that this number is 6, so we round off for the 2. Then this one, it was exact. Okay? So this one also give 1 mark. Then this one is 13.8, so we round off, we get 14. This was 19.4. Because this is below 5, you just take this whole number. So make sure that when you add this, plus this, plus this, plus this, you should get the total number of people. So our total number of people, our total number of ones were 100. So when we add this, plus this, plus this, plus this, we get 100. Let us see. 42 plus 25 plus 14 plus 19. When we add these ones, we get our number of twice. This is going to be 23. 23 plus this 7. That is the. This is going to be 33 plus this 7. That is 40 plus 20 and 40. Yeah, that's going to give us 100 twice. This is how you check. If you are converting to degrees now, maybe they want us to get a pie chart. So you first add those degrees, those angles. They should add up now to 360 if it was the case. So these are 100, so these things are all right here. Okay, so if these are right, now from here, now they're going to draw a bar graph. You say the bar graph, we draw it and with the frequency, which is the number, and then it's now here. I expect there to be 2 ones. So here we're supposed to put 2 ones. That's what I expected on this horizontal. So the what they are giving is what you put here on the horizontal. Then the vertical, you put the frequency of the number. Okay. So Maxwell Falls was having 42. Then the scale, they use the scale of 10, 20, 30, 40, so 42 is around there. Okay. Then others they are having 14, 14, above 10, okay. Then 9, they are having 25, in the middle between 20 and 30. Then Zoo they are having, where is Zoo? 19, below 20. Okay, so this is what we are supposed to get 4 out of 4. Okay, so that's what we expected. Members, hope everyone now you can check and see if the group you have, they have the same things there. But also here, you see that now this graph is a bit. You have used the scale of even if you start how highest is anyway. So here I use the 2 centimeters for 10, right? 2 centimeters for 10. That is okay if you use 2 centimeters for 10. So that's now how we convert from pie chart to bar graph. The next lesson we are going to see how to convert from the bar graph to pie chart. Or also from a pictogram to a bar graph. So you should be able to interchange them with ease. I'm happy that people have did it in a way we expected. So that's it. So now, the next example, I want you now to go and find the exercise on the learner slide, and also you make notes out of this. That's it. I wish you well.